AXXAIR has been created in December 97, on the base of an orbital cutting machine. Today we are active in cutting, beveling, facing and orbital welding. So we are covering the global process for tubing and piping. We are also developing special machines on specification and customer request. Of course, AXXAIR is very active internationally. We have 4 subsidiaries, one in Korea, AXXAIR Asia, taking care about all Southeast Asia. One in China, which is a subsidiary of AXXAIR Asia, one in Germany and one in USA. Those subsidiaries are completed with a network of distributors, and that allows us to sell in 2014 in more than 60 countries worldwide. AXXAIR is a group of 40 people, among which we have a lot of different languages: German, English, French, Italian, Spanish, Korean, Chinese.
Отлично, да, вам подойдет.
And we are really focusing to put our human resources in the center of our strategy. That allows us to have people that are competitive, that are with us for a long time. AXXAIR is manufacturing all his machines at 90% in France, so very locally. We have excellent partners and suppliers, from mechanical shops to electronic suppliers that help us to develop innovative solutions in order to propose new devices and very up-to-date products. Our DNA is really getting innovative systems to the customers to help them having an excellent service. So that's why we have established 4 training centers worldwide, where we are able to train our customers, distributors, with a complete showroom equipped with a video conference. Of course, our main distributors and trained distributors can also train our customers locally. And that is one of our forces to help customers move forward.